Hi, welcome. I'm Priscilla Batzell. This is Expressionist Fluid Art Studio Gallery's demonstrations and tutorials. Let's have some fun. The 12-inch by 16-inch canvas and a desire to make another scape. And I just enjoyed a little blue sky in one of my last ones. That's a lot of paint. I did find the purple I was looking for, and then I put it down, and it is right there. Okay, be that way. I got it! Yay! And some, I don't know what that's made of. I'm sure it's white, and it's regular white and purple. I didn't put my blue in there yet, but I will now. So let's just go for it. Well, maybe a little bit of purple flash from folk art. I really want something dark at the horizon. And I want to keep playing and experimenting with what happens to things. And did I put my... No, I have an edge catcher handy. That's excellent. I will use that. I was thinking about doing a seascape. I kind of want to start by getting as much of top coverage as I can. The paint, when it rolls over, most cases, if you're not holding too long of a stretch, will often make a seal. It might be a little messy, especially if you're not careful. Kind of want some white in that gap. And below. I think I'm going to grab an oxo omelet turning flip and fold spatula and use it to take all the extra paint off my edge catcher and use it right there before I add some more paint. That's a neatest white metallic, which I think I am going to use in there to fill in, because it'll be a nice sort of a glowy cloud. I saw that Prussian blue and I wanted to expose it, and so I did. If I fill the gap initially, then no matter what I do, I don't want to move much of that. I like where my clouds are, so it must be time for spatula. I'm going to use that Prussian blue to add some interest to what I'm assuming, still assuming, will probably be a seascape. I think I'm going to use some of the Artist Loft. To spread that around. I love that purple over there. I really don't want it to go. The tweezers are on my Amazon link. They're stainless steel, they're pointy, they're awesome. I don't know what I would do without them. I love them so much I bought 2 pair in case I couldn't find the first one, and that happens. So no matter what, get your paint bottles out of the way. Use your edge catcher to take the paint off your turntable. Line it right up with your edge catcher. And if you're a paint saver like I am, you'll be styling. I'm going to use the rest of that. Oh, except for that, wherever you came from, you can go away now. That looks like a bubble. I kind of want to just leave it like it is, but I'm not sure it would make any sense. I think a little more Anita's white metallic over there. And I'm just going to grab myself, what color? I'm thinking something between the Island Blue, which used to be Bahama Blue from Anita's. Why don't we just grab a little bit of everything? A little bit of the Emerald Green color shifting paint from Floetrol. A little bit of It's Plugged Up. Can I get it open in time? No. Let's put a little more sky blue back in there just to make it move around. I'm going to use a little bit of the Electric Blue from Arteza. And throw a little bit of that pink in there. I might put a horizon line in. Oh, I have one. Cool. Scrape off my spatula. Let anything that wants to go down, go down. I think I'm going to go from the other direction. Might be super simple, but it's the way I was thinking when I was cogitating about it. So it kind of worked exactly as I was hoping. Got some rain coming down over here. It looks like right there. I better be careful. More careful than that. I like that Bahama Blue. I kind of think I want some more. I didn't use any green. I definitely like the white. I don't mind the green either. I wanted rain, really. I wonder if my little rake, no. I want the smallest basting brush possible. I may not like that. Might be alright though. If I pull it down into the ocean, then I can still swipe across. I've seen this in the islands. My blue is just dripped down over the edge, which makes it a lot easier for me to spread it. And it's perfect amount of paint, so I'm really lucky. Again, if I want something at my horizon, and I kind of do, I want a little bit of that green. I'm going to have to torch to release the bubbles caught in the paint. Pull some of that green right over. Almost done. Really thought about using some dark blue for a shadow, but I think purple would be better. Let's try it anyway. Ha! Very, very little. And take some off also. Just fussing with my skewer. Being actually pretty grateful that Prussian blue is so strong because I'm using very little of it. Okay, I'm not sure about the rain. I'm not even sure about the horizon right at the moment, but I think it'll be alright. I think I see something and I hope it's something I can remove as opposed to something in the canvas. And I could even steal a little bit of that Prussian blue to make some blue thunderheads. And I think the more I mess with it, the better I am, better off I am. Yep, I like that. So I love you guys. I want you to take care of each other, take care of yourselves. Check out some of my 2200 videos. Know that I torched to release the bubbles caught in the paint. I can leave my paint heavy because I use GAC 800 by Golden in all of my paint mixtures. I don't know what that is, but it's going to be going now. That's a bubble. Which, no it's not. That's actually something that needs to come out of there. I'm not sure about that, but I don't mind removing it. I am going to torch to release the bubbles caught in the paint. I'm going to use any paint I want, anywhere I want, to create the impression of reflections in the sky. So I don't mind taking what's on my tile and adding it right into the composition. At all. If I waited much longer, it would have been too gunky. So don't wait too long. Alright. Rain over the islands. Or whatever. Alright. So I said alright like 4 times now. And if you're looking for my playlist, creative playlists, look for them on my YouTube channel. If you can't find what you're looking for in playlists or a video you're after, I know where everything is. So it's organized by topic and genre. My Amazon link is on the link tree. My 2 books are on the Amazon link. Because I Can and Unlimited Possibilities are the first 2 books I wrote. And probably the last 2, but who knows? We'll see. That could change. And they are the first 200 videos. Thank you for the donations that help keep me painting all this time. If you'd like to be a contributor to help keep the studio bringing video tutorials to YouTube, then look for the PayPal or the link on my link tree, which is the first or second blue link below the video. Probably in this case the first link. And you'll also find Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links. Forgot to zoom in. I keep forgetting to zoom in. Sorry about that. This is sweet. I like this. It's different. It's a very gentle seascape. I love you guys. I want you to take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. Please give me a thumbs up. Thank you for sharing my videos and watching them longer. My paint pouring recipe is underneath the video, and my cell activator recipe is under there too if you should happen to need it. My community board will show you tomorrow's video. Pixels.com and Fine Art America. If you can't find something that you like of mine and you'd like to have it placed on all over prints or on Pixels.com Fine Art America merchandise, please just ask me and I will add it. This is where you can contact me for purchasing an artwork. If you'd like to purchase an artwork, just ask. And it's EASPB and the word gallery spelled out at gmail.com. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. And if you'd like to be super helpful, please join the membership. I'm here to help. If you have questions, feel free to ask. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you come again.